In late 2023, Richmond workers connected with the city-owned and operated River Run Early Care and Learning Center to teach 3 to 5-year-olds about safety precautions when maintenance and construction workers are on site.
My name is Filma. Can everybody say Filma? Filma! Hi everybody! This is my friend Omar. Say hi Omar.
Hi, Mom.
That over there is my friend Jeff. Can everybody say hi Jeff? Okay. We are here to do a special presentation for you guys, okay? Now, if you see somebody in your daycare wearing this special vest with bright colors, what does it mean? It means stay away. It means give us some space because most likely we're working on your daycare, we're using tools, and we're doing a lot of work and we need space. These shoes are very, very special. Do you know why?
Because it's for instruction.
It's for construction, yeah. Right? So these are special shoes to keep our feet safe. Because if we drop something on our feet, it's not gonna hurt. Exactly. Okay, next up, Omar is gonna show us. Can anybody tell me what this one is? Does anybody have any guess what this could be? Knee.
So it's a knee pad.
That's okay. We don't have to try if you don't want to.
You want to try it?
Whoa. This is a cool one. Headphones. Oh, next time you put them on, what's going to happen? You're not going to hear any music because they're not really headphones. They're to protect your ears. Does anybody know what me and Omar are wearing on our heads?
Safety hat.
Safety hat. Very good. What's a safety hat for? Can anybody tell me?
For instruction.
Construction. Awesome answer. Now, who wants to help us to build a big house?
Let's put the other one here. Let's do it again.
Thank you for all your help building the tower today. Let's put all the blocks back into the boxes. Please, and everybody clap.
It was great. The children really loved the activity and the presentation was amazing, and I feel like they learned a lot, especially regarding the construction, their safety. Once they go outside and on the construction site, they will remember all those kind of things and they will follow it. Thank you, City of Richmond, and we'll see you soon again.